Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out the Falscara lashes for the first time. First time ever. Never tried them out before. Trying them out on camera for you guys. Kind of funny just to watch me struggle with these. Not really, just going in blindfolded. Didn't watch any videos. So watch maybe what you're not supposed to do, or if you just for pure entertainment want to watch me try to put these on, then just keep watching. All right, so it is the evening and it is after dinner. I never ever film at this time, but I had to go out and get some dog food and some juice boxes for lunches, and then obviously I started browsing the cosmetic area and I found the Kiss lashes. So this is Falscara, the new way to lash, and it is a lash kit, and it's kind of like, I guess, the Lashtify where you can put the lashes underneath your lash, and I was like, I just wanted to try it out. I've been wanting to try it out, and then they didn't have any left, so today they did. So I was like, all right, I want to do this, and then I got really excited to try it out and film. So yeah, we're going to try that out. So it says, if you can mascara, you can Falscara. So if I can put mascara on, I'm guessing and hoping this should be easy. It says, watch how-to video on kissusa.com. I'm not going to do that. I am just going to see if I can wing it and do it myself. It looks pretty simple. You first put on the bond, then you apply the lashes underneath, and then you put on the seal. So we're going to start with that. Is there a name for the lashes that I have in here? I don't know. Just says 79838. So I don't know if that is like a name of the lash or whatever. So let's get it open. And this was $28 Canadian. I haven't applied false lashes, honestly. I feel like since my early 20s, it's been a hot minute, a long time. And I never ever did the wisps. I always did a full strip, and I feel like it was long before any kind of wands or magnetic lashes. It was clumpy glue and trying to use your tweezers, and I wasn't super good at it, so hopefully I'll be better at this. It looks like the wisps kind of go in order where they're a little bit more tapered on the inside and a little bit fluffier on the outside. So I'm just gonna try, and I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole thing just because it's late at night. Not late at night, it's the evening, and yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna keep these on. I think they're you should be able to. They're the lashes that you should be able to wear for a bit. Let's see how this goes. Okay. All right, let's try. So we're gonna do the bond first. Maybe we should just check out the instructions and see if it gives us any length of time between how long we should do the bond and the lashes. Bond, it is infused with biotin. Bond is non-damaging and primes the natural lashes to prep them for the wisps. Yeah, you can use when using the overnighters. Okay, I guess there's overnighters. For an extended wear, apply an additional thin line under the wisps. Okay. Pro tip, apply starting from the outer corner of the lash line, working inwards. Okay, let's see. This should be fun. It says a little goes a long way, so it's a tiny, teeny weeny applicator. So we're just gonna put the bond on. feels a little sticky, feels a little tacky, which is good. And then, let's see. Got our little applicator. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that was pretty easy. That was actually pretty easy. Oh, fun. Okay. I'm just ripping them off with my finger, like off the little spot that they are on. And I'm just gonna kind of lift my eye. And it is sticky, yeah, this is sticky stuff on your lashes, and they did not lie when they said a little goes a long way. I am no pro at this by any means, so I just wanted to see if like someone super beginner in this situation could do this. Like just go for it and just do it. And I feel like after I do this a couple times, I'll be like a pro at it. But I thought it would be funny to just do it together and see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you gotta be careful of probably best to hold the lash closer to the lash, like the tip of the lashes. The outer edge was definitely the easiest. Not gonna lie. It was the easiest to do. And the glue does want to stick to this wandy piece. Okay. We're almost near the end, so I am not going to need all of the lashes. There's one piece section left. And like, I probably could cut this piece, but this is like real time. So you are getting a realistic beginner application. I can't wait to watch this back. This one I could have cut. Your inner one, you probably want to cut a bit. Oh my gosh, look at me. All right, looking at me straight on, like you can't see the gaps. Like if you go like this and maybe look up, it's not the most perfect line, but for just trying this out, like just going into it like blindfolded, not practicing and just trying it out, I think they look really good. Really good, and they don't feel irritating on the eye. Like it doesn't feel like anything's on my eye, like it's a little bit heavier on my lash line, but it doesn't, like I feel like when you had the strip lashes you could really feel them on the eye. All right, let's do the other eye, and I think what I'm going to do is just do half the eye first. And then put the bond on the other half of the eye and see if that is just a little bit neater, like if it just works a little bit better. Like, obviously, the more that we practice this, the better we're gonna get. This is our first time trying it out, but we are gonna get better at it for sure. Okay. And definitely the outer corner is the easiest. Like, when I did that one, I was like, oh yeah, no, I'm a pro at this. I can do this. No. Like, I'm not a pro. But they're so pretty. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. So definitely hold the lashes further down at the end. Oh. They just kind of get stuck sometimes on your other lashes, which is annoying. Like, I wonder if I should just try just putting the bond, like, oh my god, not throughout my lash. Like, what am I doing? Putting it all over my lashes? So yeah, I would suggest watching the Kiss video and just watching this one for fun, because like you just want to laugh. Like you just want to have a good time and be like, let's watch this girl just mess this up royally. This is like a what not to do video. Yeah. Still learning. You're just learning what not to do. Okay, let's see if I can just kind of put the bond more towards the base. And not on my lashes. Like, don't go throughout them. Like, I think this will be a lot easier when I'm not trying to film it, and I could just put my face right up to my mirror. Okay. All right, so the next step would be to take the seal side, and this is going to remove the stickiness, apparently, and help seal the lashes in. And FYI, to get these off, you need a remover, apparently. Like on the packaging right now, it's saying to remove, you need a remover. Guess what this little kit didn't come with? A remover. So hopefully my micellar water and just soaking my eyes in that is gonna help take these off. Otherwise, like, I don't know. Anyways, it feels like the sealer kind of took away the stickiness right here because those were feeling pretty clumpy and sticky together with the bond. All right, so this is it. This is how they are looking. I think not bad for just literally just getting home from Walmart, dropping all the bags at the front door, ripping open the package and trying them out. Never have tried them before. I think it's fairly easy. If you are practicing at home, I think you will get this no problem. Make sure you get remover though. Tip, word to the wise, heads up, there's no remover in this one package. So make sure you get that as well. So yeah, I hope you guys were entertained by this video. Let me know if you tried these out, if you have tried these out, and how easy you think it is, and all of the good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.